Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board, Malleshwaram, Bangalore 560003, SSLC Model Question Paper 1, 2025-26. So we are going to discuss in our video the questions which has been asked in the model question paper 25 and 26. What are the types of question? We will be just going through the questions of this model question paper. So yeah, the subject is mathematics. The subject is mathematics, English medium. Subject code is 81 bar E. That time duration is 3 hours 15 minutes. Maximum marks is 80. So you have some general instructions for the question paper. So the general instruction for the question paper to the candidates, general instruction to the candidate. This question paper consists of 38 questions. You'll have 38 questions. Follow the instruction given again against the question. Figure in the right hand margin indicates maximum marks for the questions. The maximum time to the answer to answer the paper is given at the top of the question paper, that is 3 hours 15 minutes. It includes 15 minutes for reading the question paper. So 3 hours will be for writing and 15 minutes will be for reading the question paper. So here we will move on with the first main. So here we have first main. What is first main? Here four alternatives are given for each of the following questions. Incomplete statements. Choose the correct alternate and write the complete answer along with the letter or of alphabet. So here you have 8 questions will be there, 1 mark, and that will be options. That is, we have to select the correct option. The HCF, the first question is the HCF of 3 and 5 is. You have to select what is the HCF of 3 and 5. So they've given option A is 1, option B is 3, option C is 5, and option D is 15. So the second question, in the figure, the number of zeros of the polynomial y equals px is. So you have to find the number of zeros. So here you have option A is 3, option B is 5, option C is 4, option D is 1. Then question number 3, the question number 3 is, if the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus by2 plus c2 equals 0 has a unique solution, then the correct relationship among the following is: a1 is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, b is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then C is option C is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2, and D is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. You have to select the correct answer. Then the question number 4. The question number 4 is the arithmetic progression is the arithmetic progression in the following is. You have to check which is the arithmetic progression. Option A is 1, 2, 4, and 8. So option C, B is 3, 7, 10, and 14. Option C is 1, 4, 9, and 9, 16. Then D is option D is 5, 6, 5, 9, 13, and 17. Then the question number 5, in the given frequency distribution table, median class, we have to find the median class. The frequency distribution table is given 10 to 20, 3, and 3 is a cumulated frequency, 10 to 20. Students are 4 and cumulated frequency is 7. 20 to 30 students is 7 and 14 is the cumulated frequency. 30 to 40 the number of students is 6 and the cumulated frequency is 20. N is equals to 20. Now moving on with the next question, we have to select which is the median class, that is 0 to 10 or 10 to 20, 20 to 30 or 30 to 40. Question number 6 is, if cot A is 3 tan A, then the measure of the angle A is 90, 60, 45 or 30. You need to find. Then moving with the next question, that is question number 7. A perpendicular drawn from a point P minus 4 comma minus 5 intersect x-axis at the point Q. The coordinate of the point Q are 0 comma minus 4, minus 4 comma 0, minus 5 comma 0, and 0 comma minus 5. Then moving with the next one, question number 8. The quadratic equation whose roots are 6 and minus 1 is. You have to find the equation, which is the equation for the quadratic equation, which roots are given. That will be x square plus 5x minus 6 is 0, x square minus 5x minus 6 is 0, x square minus 5x plus 6 is 0, x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Which is the correct equation? You have to find it. Then moving on with the second main, you have answered the following question and each question carry 1 mark. So the first question is question number 9. How many solution does the pair of linear equation in the two variable have? if they are inconsistent. Then question number 10 is, in the figure, if DE is parallel to BC, AD is equals to 2 centimeter, BD is equals to 6 centimeter, find DE is to BC. Moving on with the next question, you have question number 11. Question number 11 says, here the circumference of a base of a cylinder is 100 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Then question number 12, write the value of PE plus P E dash with a reference to probability. Question number 13, in an arithmetic progression, the seventh term is 12 more than its fourth term. Find the common difference. Then moving on with the next one, we have question number 14. So question number 14 says here, in the figure in the figure, cone with a radius r and slant height L is mounted on a hemisphere with the radius r. Write the formula to find the total surface area of a solid form. So you have to find the formula for this diagram. Then question number 15. Question number 15 is, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. BC and QR are corresponding sides. Angle B is 18, angle C is 40. Then what is the measure of P? You need to find the angle P. Then question number 16, if the zeros of the polynomial Px is equals to x square plus 3x plus k are reciprocal to each other, then find the value of k. So these are the one mark questions. Now moving on with the third main, you have answered the following questions, and each question carry 2 mark, and we have to answer any 8. We'll be answering 8 questions here. So in question number 17, in an arithmetic progression, if s is equals to 20, s20 is for 820 and a20 is 79, then find the first term. Or you can write down this question, how many number between 201 and 401 are divisible by 6? Then moving with the next one, you have question number 18. Solve the given pair of linear equation using the suitable method. You can use any method. 2x plus y is 8, 3x minus 5 is 7. So you can use direct method, you can use substitution method, whichever method you feel easy, you can use that method and solve. Then question number 19, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation. 2x square plus 3x minus 7 is 0 and determine the nature of the root. Or you can write, express the quadratic equation 2x plus 3 into x equals x square plus 1 in the standard form. Then question number 20, prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Then 21, question number, find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 1 comma 9 and 4 comma 5 4 comma 3 in the ratio 1 is to 2 internally. So you have to use the segment formula and you should solve. Then question number 12, in the given figure, find the value of tan P and cos R. Then question number 13, in the figure, CP and CQ are tangent to the circle with the center O. ARB is another tangent at R. Show that the perimeter of a triangle CAB is twice the length of the triangle CP. Then moving with the next one, we have question number 24. Question number 24 is, the product of HCF and LCM is of two number is 2016. 2016. If one of the number is 42, then the find the other number, and also find HCF of the two numbers by prime factorization method. Then these are the third main questions which are carry 2 marks. Now moving with the fourth main, you have answered the following question and each question carry 3 marks. So find the coordinates of the center of the circle passing through the point A minus 3 comma 0, B 3 0 comma 2 and C 0 comma minus 3. Then question number 26, prove that the length of the tangent drawn to the circle from the external points are equal. It is a theorem. You need to prove the theorem. Question number 27, an express train taking 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel a distance of 132 kilometer. The average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer per hour more than that of the passenger train. Find the average speed of this train, two trains. So this is by using the trigonometry, application of trigonometry you have to solve. Then or you can solve the next question, or you have option, the age of two students A and B are 19 years and 15 years respectively. Find how many years it will take so that the product of their age becomes equal to 480. Then question number 38 28, prove that secant a into 1 minus sin a into sin a, secant a plus tan a equals root of 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a into cosecant a. Or you can prove that sin a by 1 minus cos a plus tan a divided by 1 plus cos a equals cot theta sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta plus cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta 1 plus cos theta equals cot theta plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Then question number 29, write the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of the zeros are 2 and minus 8 respectively, and hence find the zeros of the polynomial. Or you can find if alpha beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, p of x is equals to x square plus 3x plus 1, then find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Or you can find as alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. So moving with the next question we have, that is question number 30. The question number 30 says ABC is a right angle triangle. If BAC is 90, AD is perpendicular to BC, then show that AB square is equals to BC into BD. It is a theorem. Then question number 31, the minute hand of the wall clock is 18 centimeter long. Find the area swapped by the minute hand in 13 minutes. For find the length of the arc formed by the swap of the minute hand. Question number 32, a box contain card numbered from 16 to 70. If one card is drawn at the random from the box, then the probability of the card will have a perfect square number, a number divisible by 5, a odd number less than 10. Then question number 33, you have find the mean of the following data. So they've given the data, you have to find the mean. Then question number, or you can find the mode for the following distributed data. Whatever distribution table is given, for that you have to find mean, or you can find mode. Then question number, that is next main. Next main is fourth main. Each question carry 4 marks. Solve the given pair of linear equation by graphical method. X plus 2y equals 6, x plus y equals 5. Then question number 35, prove that if the two triangles sides of the triangle are proportional in the same ratio of the side of the other triangle, then the corresponding angles are equal, and hence the two triangles are similar. A theorem. Or you can write, prove that if one angle of a triangle is equal to one another of the angle of another triangle, and the slide includes those angles are pro- proportionals, then the two triangles are similar. Then question number 36 is the sum of first n terms of arithmetic C progression is Sn equals 3n square plus 2n. Find the nth term of the progression. If the progression consists 59 terms, then find the last 10 terms of the progression. Then question number 37, the lighthouse AB of height 10 root 3 meter stands vertically on a seashore. A tower CE and a ship F are standing 30 meter and for 10 meter away from the foot of the high lighthouse respectively. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the top of the lighthouse is 30. Find the height of the tower and distance between the top to the lighthouse of the top of the tower AE. Also find the angle of the depression found by the top of the lighthouse to the ship. Then question number 18, question number that is here they've given a continuation of that question. So here a tower and a pole stand vertically on the same length level ground. It is observed that the angle of the depression of the top and the foot of the pole from the top of a tower of height 60 meter is 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole. Find the height of the pole, or we can read this. Then question number 38. This question number 38, from here it carries one question you should answer, and it carries 5 marks. A hollow solid is made by placing a cylinder on an inverted cone as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and the cone are 7 centimeter and the height are 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. The solid is filled with water up to a height of 3 by 2 by 3 of the height of the cylinder. Find the amount of water in the solid. Calculate the amount of water required to fill the solid uh, solid completely solid completely. Or we can write the next one, which we can write as a vessel is in a form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter. The vessel is kept with the water up the brim and return, and when 100 lid stops of the same size are dropped in it, one fourth of the water from the vessel forms flows out. Find the radius and volume of the each lead shot. Question paper 2, that is now we'll discuss the questions. The conditions will be same as that of model question paper 1. So first main is of four alternatives, that is objective questions. The first question is the degree of the cubic polynomial is A4, B1, C3 and D2 options. Then question number 2 is the formula to find the midpoint of the class interval is upper class limit minus lower class limit by 3, upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. Then upper class limit minus lower class limit by 2. D, upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 3. Then the question number 3 is if the line represents the pair of the linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0 intersecting each other, then the correct relationship among the following is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Option B, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Option D, C, A1 by B2 equals B1 by A2. Option D, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then question number 4. The question number 4 is in an arithmetic progression. In an arithmetic progression, if the third term is 13 and second term is 8, then find the first term of the progression. Option A is 3, option B is 5, option C is 4, and option D is 2. Then the question number 5 is the probability of an impossible event is 1, 0, 0.5 and 1.5. Then next one is the option question number 6. The correct relation among the following is secant t square theta equals secant tan square theta equals secant square theta plus 1. Option B, sin theta is equals to 1 by secant theta. Then option C, cot theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Option D, sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Question number 7. In a triangle ABC and a triangle DEF are similar, and if AB by DE is equals to BC by FD, then the correct relationship among the following is angle B is equals to angle E. Option B, angle A is equals to angle D. Option C, angle B is equals to angle D. Option D, angle A is equals to angle F. Then question number 8. Question number 8. The two cubes each having a volume of 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end to form a cuboid. The measure of the longest side of the cuboid is option A 4 centimeter, option B 8 centimeter, option C 16 centimeter, option D 128 centimeter. Then moving on with the second main one mark questions. You have option first question 9. Question number 9, state the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Question number 10. Write the nature of the root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 if the value of its discriminant is 0. Question number 11. Write the coordinate of the point P which divides the line segment joining the point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 internally in the ratio 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1. Question number 12. Write the zeros of the polynomial y equals p of x in the given graph. Then question number 13. Question number 13 is 5 years ago Nouri's age was 3 times the age of Sonu. Write the standard form of the linear equation in two variables for this statement. Question number 14. Write the formula to find the sum of the first n terms of the arithmetic progression with the first term a and the last term l. Question number 15. Write the condition for the similarities of two polynomial having same number of sides. Question number 816. The area of the base of the cylinder is 38.5 centimeter square and height is 10 centimeter square, 10 centimeter. Find its volume. Then moving on with the third main, we have third main questions for 2 mark. We have first one is prove that 2 plus root 5 is an irrational number. That is question number 17. Then moving on with the next question, we have question number 18. Question number 18 is solve the given pair of linear equation by elimination method. X plus 2y is 10, x plus y is 6. Question number 19. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 6x plus 3 is 0 by factorization method. Or you can write express the equation x plus 3 x plus 2 to the 2 cube whole cube equals x cube minus 4 is a standard form of a quadratic equation. Question number 20. Find the sum of the first 20 term of the arithmetic progression 6, 10, and 14 using the formula. Then question or you can write or the option question for that 20 is find which term of the arithmetic progression 2, 7, and 12 is 47 using formula. Question number 21. The length of two rectangular tables are 84 and 126 centimeter respectively, and both have the width equal to 42 centimeter. Find the maximum length of the square glass sheet that can be exactly fit both the tables. Also calculate the total number of glass sheets required to fit each table. Then question number 22. Question number 22 is if sine A equals 3 by 5, then find the value of tan A. Then question number 23, find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the point 1, comma 6 and 4, comma 3 in the ratio 3 is to 1 internally. Then question number 24. Question number 24 is two concentric circles of radius 5 and 3 centimeters are drawn with a center O. Find the length of the chord of the large circle which touches the small circle at the point P as shown in the figure. Then moving on with the third main, we have third main answer the following questions. Each question carry 3 mark. So we will be answering 9 questions. Question number 25, in the figure A, B, C are the points OP, OQ, OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to AR, show that the BC is parallel to QR. Or you can write the option question for this is side AB and BC are median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the side PQ, QR and median PM of a triangle PQR. Show that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So moving on with the next question, question number 26. A bag contains 20 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball from the bag is 1 by 4th the probability of drawing a red ball, then find the number of blue balls and total number of balls in the bag. Question number 27. The denominator of the fraction in 1 more than twice its number. The sum of the fraction and its reciprocal is 29 by 10. Find the fraction. Or we can write the cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of the product of each article in rupees was 3 more than that twice of the number of article produced on that day. If the total cost of the production on the day was 90 rupees, find the number of article produced and the cost of each article. Then moving with the next question, we have question number 28. Question number 28 states that in a figure O is a center and a circle. O is the center of the circle with the radius 21 centimeter. The length of the arc APB is 22 centimeter. Find the area of segment APB. Then question number 29, find the mode for the following frequency distribution table, and or you can write find the median for the following frequency distribution table for the given data. Then question number 30 is if one of the zero of the polynomial p of x is equals to 2x square minus 8x plus k plus 1 is 7 times the other, then find the value of k. Question number 31, prove that the triangle at the point of the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. It is a theorem. Question number 32, prove that root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a is equals to secant a plus tan a. or prove that cosecant A minus sin A into tan A plus cot A equals cot A into cosecant A. Then question number 33. Question number 33. The vertices of triangle ABC are A 7 comma 2, B 9 comma 10, and C 1 comma 4, and E and F are the midpoint of AB and AC respectively. Find that EF is half of BC using the distance formula. So moving on with the fourth main, we have answered the following question. Each question is for 4 mark and you have to answer any 4. So yeah, question number 34. Solve the given pair of linear equation by graphical method. 2x plus y is 8, x minus y is 11, 1. The question number 32. The sum of the first 6 term of arithmetic progression is 42. If the ratio of the 10th term and the to the 30th term of the preposition is 1 by 1 is to 3, then find the 13th term of the preposition. Or in an arithmetic progression, the sum of fourth term and eighth term is 24. The sum of sixth term and 10th term is 44. Find the arithmetic progression and also find the 25th term of the progression. Then the question number 36. The question number 36 is prove that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two are divided in a same ratio. Or you can write, prove that if two triangles sides of a one triangle is proportional to the same ratio of the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. Then question number 37. A tower and a building standing vertically on a level ground. From the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the to the window to the building, which is 20 meter above the ground, is 30 degree as shown in the figure. From the same window, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degree. From the top of the building, the angle of depression to the floor foot of the tower is 45 degree. Find the distance between the tower and the building, the height of the tower, the height of the building, and the distance between the top of the building to the foot of the tower. So yeah, moving on with the next main, that is fourth main. Answer the following question. Each question carry 5 marks. So only one answer, one question you have to answer. From a wooden cylinder of a height 18 centimeter and a base diameter 7 centimeter, a hemisphere and a cone having the same radius as that of the cylinder are curved out as shown in the figure. If the height of the cone is 12 centimeter, then find the cost of the painting the solid form at the rate of rupees 2.50 per centimeter square. So yeah, question number 38, or we can write or the option question is, a solid toy is made of joining a right circular cone of a height 12 centimeter to the hemisphere of the base radius 3.5 centimeter. The toy is immersed in a cylindrical glass vessel completely filled with the water as shown in the figure. If the diameter of the cylinder is 14 centimeter, the height of the cylinder is equal to height of the toy, then find the volume of the water left in the cylinder and also find the total surface area of the toy. So these are the 28 questions which are there in the paper 2. So we'll have a paper 3 discussion about paper 3, model question paper 3. So in model question paper 3, for mathematics, 81 bar E, that is dash E, we have the questions we'll discuss for this paper 3 is, first main option questions you have. First one is, if the line representing by the pair of the linear equation 3x plus 2 ky equals 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is 0 are parallel, then the value of k is option A 5 by 4, option minus 5 by 4, option B 2 by 5, option C 15 by 4, option D 3 by 2. Then question number 2, you have any composite number can be expressed as the product of every even number, odd number, prime number, or square number. Question number 3, the length of the rectangle is 3 times the breadth. The area of a rectangle is 75 centimeter. The quadratic equation to find the length and the breadth of the rectangle is 3x square plus 75x is 0, x square plus 3x minus 75 is 0, 3x square minus 75 is 0, 3x square minus 8x square x to the x square minus 75 is 0. Then question number 4, if the nth term of arithmetic progression is an is 2n minus 1, then the fourth term is minus 7, 7, 5, or 6. Then question number 5, you have question number 5. In the following, the pair of the triangles that are always similar are isosceles triangle. It is isosceles, two isosceles triangle, two equilateral triangle, two right angle triangle, or two scalene triangle. Then question number 6, the formula to find the volume of the sphere of the radius r centimeter is v equals 2 pi r cube, v equals 4 by 3 pi r cube, v equals 3 pi r cube, v equals 2 by 3 pi r cube. So median equals L plus pi by n by 2 minus f cf divided by f into h. Here f refers to lower limit of the median class, size of the class interval, frequency of the median class, or accumulated frequency. Question number 8, the zero of the polynomial px equals 5x plus 3 is minus 3 by 5, minus 5 by 3, minus 5, or minus 3. Then question number 9, that is second main 1 mark questions. So question number 9 is, in the figure DE is parallel to BC if BD is 7.2, AE is 1.8, CEC is 5.4, then find the length of AD. Then question number 10, write the distance of the point PA comma B from the origin. Then question number 11 is, in the quadratic polynomial f of x is equals to x square minus 9x plus 20, find the value of f of 1. Question number 12, in an arithmetic progression, if the sum of the first 4 term is 20, the sum of the first 3 term is 12, find the fourth term of the arithmetic progression. Question number 13, a rectangular sheet of paper 40 is to 22 centimeter is rolled to form a hollow cylinder of a height 40 centimeter. Find the radius of the cylinder. Question number 14, the graph of the pair of linear equation in two variable is shown below. What is the number of solutions thus the pair have? Then question number 15, if sin a plus sin square a equals 1, then find the value of cos square a plus cos to the power of 4x. Question number 16, if the preposition probability of an event A is 1 by 5 and n of A is 2, then find the value of n of S. Third main, answer the following questions. First, 17, question number 17, prove that 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. It is for 2 mark. Question number 18, in the given figure, PA and PB are the tangents of the circle with the center O. If PA is 4 centimeter and angle is 40 degree, APO angle is 40 degree, find the measure of angle AOB and find the length BP. PB. Then question number 19. Question number 19. Solve the given pair of linear equation with elimination method. 2x plus y equals 10, x minus y equals 2. Then question number 20. If the first term of arithmetic progression is 1 and the 14th term is 53, then find the nth term of this progression. Question number 21. Find the HCF of 135 and 75 by prime factorization method, and then find the LCM of 20 and HCF 135 and 75. Question number 22. Find the value of y for which the distance between the point P2, minus 3 and Q10, y is 10 units. Then question number 20. Then also, or you can find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the point minus 1, 7 and 4, minus 3 internally in the ratio 2 is to 3. Question number 23, in the figure write the values of secant B and cot A. Question number 24, find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 6 is equals to 0, or find the discriminant value of a quadratic equation 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is 0, and write the nature of the root. Fourth main, answer the following question, that is each question carry 3 mark. So for 3 mark you have a question. First question is 25. If two fair die are rolled simultaneously, then find the probability that the sum of the number on the top face is less than 8. Then question number B is, of getting a square number on one of the face only. Then question number 26, prove that the length of the tangent drawn from the external point to a circle are equal. Question number 27, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equals to 6x square minus 7x minus 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Then you have, or the graph of y is equals to p of x is given in the figure. Write the degree of the this polynomial, identify its degree, and hence find the polynomial. Then question number 28 is, in an isosceles triangle PQR, PQ is equals to PR, the angle bisects of the angular bisector of angle P meets QR at O. Prove that OQ divided by R is equals to 1. Or ABCD is a parallelogram, E is a point of BC, diagonals BD intersect the line joining A and E at F. Prove that DF into EF is equals to DB into FA. Question number 29, if A 1 comma y, B 4 comma 3, C x comma 6, and D 3 comma 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram as shown in the figure, then find the value of x and y. Then moving on with the 30 question, you have uh, arcs are drawn at the in square ABCD with ABCD as the center of the circle of a radius 3.5 centimeter as shown in the figure. If the area of the square ABCD is 144 centimeter square, then find the perimeter of the shape PQRSTUVWP formed by the arc within the square. Then you have question number 31. 31, find the mean for the given following frequency distribution table, or you can find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. Then moving on with the question number 32. 32 question says that the difference between the attitude and the base of the rectangular triangle is 5 centimeter. If the angle of the triangle is 150 centimeter square, then find the base and the attitude of the triangle. Then question number 33, evaluate 2 cos 60 degree plus tan 45 degree minus root 3 cosecant 60 degree divided by root 3 secant 30 degree plus 2 cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Or prove that cos cube theta plus sin cube theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta plus cos cube theta minus sin cube theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta equals 2. Then in next main, fifth main, answer the following. Each question carry 4 mark. For the question number 34, find the solution of the given pair of linear equation by the graphical method. 2x plus y is 8, x plus y is 6. Question number 35, an arithmetic progression consists of 4 terms whose sum is 32. The ratio of the product of first and the last term to the product of second and third term is 7 is to 15. Find the term of the progression. Or you can write next option for this question is, a book contains 300 and 432 pages. A student want to read a fixed number of pages of the book daily. He reads 25 pages on the first day. Find the next day onwards, he decides to read 2 pages more than what he is reading on the previous day. By using the formula, find how many pages will he read on 12th day, and also find the number of days the student takes to read the book completely. So then next one you have question number 36. Question number 36 is, prove that if in two triangle corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in the proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. Or you can prove that if one angle of a triangle is equal to the one angle of the other triangle, and the side includes this angle are prepositional, then the two triangles are similar. Then you have question number 37. Question number 37 states that a state highway leads to the foot of the tower as shown in the figure. A person standing at the top of the tower observe a car at the point C with an angle depression 60 degree, which is moving away from the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the person observed the car at the point B, and the angle of depression of the car is found to be 30 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the point B from the foot of the tower. If the height of the tower is 30 meter, find the distance between the top of the tower and the point B. Then the next main is fourth main. Answer the following questions. You have the question number 38. Two solid cones of a radius equal to base radius of the cylinder are hollowed out from it as shown in the figure. The ratio of the volume of cone is 2 is to 1. The diameter and the height of the cylinder are 6 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively. Find the height and the volume of the cone. Also find the volume of the remaining portion of the cylinder after the cones are hollowed out. Or you have option question next question. A rectangular wooden black block. A rectangular wooden block has length 40 centimeter, breadth 30 centimeter, height 7.5 centimeter. From this block, a cone of a radius 10 centimeter is drilled out as shown in the figure. Find the volume and the surface area of the remaining solid. So yeah, question paper 4 of mathematics. We will discuss the questions of this. So first one is alternative questions. That is option questions. Question number 1: the zero of the polynomial px is equals to x square minus 3r, 3 comma minus 3 root 3 comma minus root 3, 3 comma root 3, 0 comma 3. Question number 2: in a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then the line represents the internally intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, parallel lines, or coincident lines. Then question number 3: the quadratic equation of the following among the following is x plus 1 is 0, x into x plus 1 is 0, x into x square plus 1 is 0, x into x plus 1 equals x square. Then question number 4: if p and q are the co-primes, then the HCF of p square and q square is pq 1 p plus q or p square q square. Then question number 5: if ABCD is a parallelogram, P is a point on BC. If AB and DP are the are produced to meet at L, then the corresponding relation among the following is DP by PL is equals to AB by BL, DP by BL is equals to DC by BL, DP by PL is equals to BL by DC. DP by BL is equals to AB by DC, which is the correct relation we need to find it. Then question number 6 of the lower limit of the model class in the given frequency is F35, 20, 30, 40. Which of the following can be probability of an event? 3 by 2 minus 1 by 1.5, 105 degree 0.7. So question number 8: if 6 comma x comma 14 are the arithmetic progression, then the value of x is 10, 20, 18, or 12. Second main, answer the following question. One more question: how many solutions do the pair of linear equation ax1 plus by plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 have, if the line represent them are by them are intersecting? Question number 10: write the quadratic equation px whose zeros are alpha and beta. Question number 11: if the first term of arithmetic progression is m and the common difference is 3, then find the 10th term of the progression. Question number 12: find the distance of the point minus 3 comma 4 from the origin. Question number 13: what is the value of tan a into cot a minus cos a into secant a? Question number 14: find the volume of the cube of edge 6 centimeter. Question number 15: a vertical pole of a length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a building cast a shadow 38-meter long. Find the height of the building. Question number 16: find the distance area of the sphere of a radius 7 centimeter. Third main, answer the following. Each question carries 2 marks. So here you have 17. Question number 17: find how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3, or find the sum of the first 20 term of the arithmetic progression 11, comma 15, comma 19, comma 23. Then question number 18: what for what value of k the root of the equation k x square plus 6x plus 1 is 0 are equal. Or find the root of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is 0. Question number 19, prove that 5 minus root 2 is irrational number. Question number 20, solve the given pair of linear equation 3x minus y is 15, 2x minus y is 5 equals 5. We can solve by any method. Then question number 21, if the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment joining the point A 4, comma 6, B x, comma y, and C 6, comma 5, find the coordinate of the point B. If the question number 22, if the product of LCM and HCF of the two number is 23966 and their HCF is 13, then find their LCM. If one of the number is 91, then find the other one. In the figure, question number 32, in the figure, if the measure of hypothesis is twice the opposite side of a angle alpha, then find the angle cos alpha. Question number 24, in the figure O is the center of the circle, AB is a diameter, AP is a tangent drawn to the point A. If OCB is 25 degree, then find the measure of APB. Then fourth main answer the following for 3 mark each. You have question number 25. If alpha and beta are two zeros of the polynomial px is equals to x square plus 3x plus 2, then find the value of alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube. Question number 26, two lines segment AB and CD intersect each other at the point O. AC and DB are the joined by that AC is parallel to DB. Find proof that AO by AC equals BO by BD. Question number 27, find that the tangent at the point of the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Question number 28. So yeah, question number 28 is prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Then question number 20, or the option you can write is tan 60 degree divided by cot 60 degree plus secant 60 degree divided by 2 sin 90 degree is minus 1 by cosecant 40 cos 40 cos square 45 degree. Question number 29, find the coordinate of the point of the trisector of the line segment joining the point 2 comma minus 2 minus 4 comma 4 minus 7 comma 4. Or prove that the point A 1 comma 5, B 2 comma 4, and C 9 comma minus 3 are collinear using the distance formula. Then question number 30, a hand fan is moving up with the cloth fixed in between the metallic wire. It is in the shape of the sector of the circle of radius 21 centimeter and the angle 120 degree as shown in the figure. Calculate the area of the cloth used and also find the total length of the metallic wire required to make the hand fan. Or you can write in the figure O. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. Area of a sector is AOB is to area of a circle 1 is to 5. And if the radius of the circle is 7 centimeter, find the length of the arc of AB. Then question number 31. Three fair coins tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of at least two heads, at most two heads. Then question number 32. The duration of the space walk of astronaut A is 6 hours longer than that of the duration of the spacewalk of astronaut B. If they both continue spacewalk for 4 more hours, the product of their spacewalk duration becomes 720 hours. Find the spacewalk duration of the astronaut A and B. Question number 33, find the mean for the given following data and find the median, or you can find the median for the following data. Then question number second, that is fifth main. Question number 34, answer any four. The 10th term of an arithmetic progression is 2 more than that of third term of the first term, and the eighth term is 6 6 more than the twice the first term. How many terms of the progressions makes the sum 540? Now option R. In an arithmetic progression, the ratio of the first term and the common difference is 3 is to 2. The sum of first term is 26 terms is 1456. Find the arithmetic progression and find which term of the progression is 62. Question number 35. Prove that in if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Or you can write this theorem. Prove that if the two triangles sides of a triangle are proportional to the size same of the root the side of the other triangle, and then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence they two triangles are similar. Question number 36. State solve the given pair of linear equation graphically. X plus 2y equals 6. X plus y equals 2. Then question number 37. Question number 37. A building AD and tower BE are standing vertically in a level ground as shown in the figure. From the top of the building, drone travels for 10 seconds and reaches the top of the tower along the straight line AB with the angle elevated 30 degree. The angle of elevation from the bottom of the building to the top of the tower is 60 degree, and distance BD between them is 10 is to 10 root 3 meter. Find the height of the building, height of the tower, distance DE between the building and the tower, and speed of the drone. Then you have that is sixth main. Answer the following. In answer the following, a solid is named by joining a cylinder, hemisphere, and a cone of equal radius as shown in the figure. The height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter, and the total height of the solid is 13 centimeter. If the volume of the cylinder is 3 times the volume of the hemisphere, find the volume of the surface of the solid. Then you have question number or option you can write either that, or you can write this. A rocket is built by combining a hollow cylinder and a cone shown in the figure. In total, height of the rocket is 44 meter, and the diameter of the and the height of the cone is 6 meter and 4 meter respectively. Find the cost of installing heat resistance coating on the total on the outer surface of the rocket at the rate of 10,000 per meter square. So these are the important questions of 4 question papers for SSLC 10th board. You can practice these questions. Very soon I'll be coming with the solution for this question papers. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for upcoming videos. In upcoming videos, I'll be solving all these 4 papers. Thank you.